First in history, for the very first time, a US A-10 Thunderbolt II has been transformed into a permanent monument right here in South Korea. This historic event marks a new chapter for one of the most iconic aircraft in modern military history, the legendary Warthog. The installation took place at a key traffic circle in Camp Humphreys, Republic of Korea. U.S. Air Force airmen and Army personnel worked together with precision to carefully position the aircraft, ensuring it stands safely as a lasting tribute. From lifting the aircraft into place to securing it on its pedestal, every step required teamwork and coordination. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, affectionately known as the Warthog, has been a cornerstone of U.S. air power for decades. Known for its durability, survivability, and devastating close air support, the A-10 has served in multiple conflicts worldwide. Now, as this aircraft reaches the end of its operational service, it finds a new role: to inspire, to honor, and to educate future generations about the aircraft's legendary history. "It's amazing to see this aircraft preserved in such a way," said one airman. "The A-10 has been a symbol of strength and resilience for decades. And now it will continue to inspire everyone who passes by," another service member added. "This monument represents more than just an aircraft. It's a reminder of our shared commitment and the strong partnership between the U.S. and South Korea." The A-10 first entered service in the late 1972, designed specifically for close air support of ground forces. Its unique GAU-8 Avenger cannon, armored cockpit, and twin-engine design make it nearly indestructible in combat. Over the decades, the Warthog has earned a reputation not just for power, but for protecting soldiers on the ground. Now, by transforming it into a monument, its legacy will endure long after its active service ends.
You can come this way if you want to.
During the installation, personnel and visitors gathered to witness this historic moment. Children, service members, and civilians alike were captivated by the sheer presence of the A-10, now elevated as a permanent symbol of courage and dedication. The installation ceremony highlighted the teamwork required to honor the aircraft's history properly. The monument preserves the aircraft in its full glory. The distinctive shape, the twin engines, the cockpit, and the wing design all stand out in dramatic detail, allowing everyone to appreciate the engineering and history of the Warthog. Plaques and information displays accompany the monument, providing educational context for visitors to understand why this aircraft earned such reverence. First in history, a warplane has become a monument. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, once a symbol of air power and close support in combat, now stands as a permanent tribute to service, dedication, and the enduring partnership between the U.S. and South Korea. Its story continues not in the skies, but on the ground, inspiring all who pass by, reminding us that legends never truly fade. The Warthog lives on, immortalized for generations to come.
I thought